What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? You already know what it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom, and I had to shoot this video and drop it tonight. It's on a random Friday. But I'm back. Listen, I've been in the underground making some major deals, making some major collabs in this OF industry and a couple other, possibility of making this scratch, cheddar, cheese. And then I've had also some betrayal happen on my team, which I'm also going to get into that. I got a little 6-part series, and I went into the dirt. I went deep, you know what I'm saying? An enemy of an enemy is a friend. And never get caught saying something in text you don't want to be exposed for. And be careful when you are mistrusted, because mistrusted gets destroyed, right? And I'm trying to make sure we break off even. I was trying to be really cool, and then she's trying to lie and be like she's trying to be nice and all these other things, but in reality she posts on my team. Let's not even go about that, okay? But just remember, everything in the dark eventually comes to the light. So I'm not worried about it. And I know even in the dark I was doing in the move and the smooth and the move, all right? So I wanted to talk about something today because we're about to get something popping on this page, right? You're about trying to make money. You're trying to get in the industry. You're trying to grow, trying to figure this all out. We're going to take it to the next level. So a few different things that are going to be released in these upcoming days. If you're watching my channel, like, yo, I'm trying to get to the bag. What is he going to be doing? He's going to be teaching you how to get to this money. He's going to be getting money. One, I'll be teaching an affiliate program about how to actually get into the adultish industry and as an affiliate and make that kind of money and how those ads are ran, and which is totally under tap. I think people are just scared to be in the industry. I get it. Fine. But if you don't care, you're trying to get to the bag, comment down below. Time to get to the bag. I don't care. So I could teach you these ways I actually get into the dough in this industry on this style, because I got some other ways I'm trying to try. I'm just trying to get some time on my hands. I got a little buddy. I'm trying to get some time so I can put it all together on that side. Secondly, I'm releasing a private group to train in OnlyFans. I just took a couple strategies with a few creators. Took her from making about $1,000 a month to making almost $4,000 a month within a month. And hopefully this is going to be on a route to $10,000 this upcoming month right now, which we're super excited about. But the one thing that I wanted to tell you is I'm going to use that strategy for a private group. So we are going to be able to do it. I'm going to be releasing a private group. So if you want to be in the private group, because I'm back, we're about to be doing a private group. Comment down below, trying to get to the dough. Let's go. And if you are an agency owner, or you want to be an agency owner, you want to figure out how the industry works, you want to figure out how to get in there, I'm about to release agency course. Finally, I've actually released the beta. People have been in it. People are doing their thing. I'm about to release some other couple things, but I'm about to release it. So if you're trying to become an OnlyFans agent, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm jealous of some of these other agents that are out there chilling and kicking it with girls and going out and enjoying themselves. I used to do that, but I'm not actually too jealous when I think about it. I actually enjoy it. I'm kind of introverted. I think I like to chill in the house, kick it with my wife. We just chilling with the baby. You know, do I miss going out and having a good time? I do. I'll probably do that a few more times and pop it, get it crazy for you guys, show you what's up. But the whole, like, dating scene, bro, I don't wish that on my enemy. I'm chilling. I just come boop, 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 and say enjoy yourself out there in life, okay? But, like, I wanted to hit that Cam Newton, I'm back. And we're going to be dropping the best information for anybody to be growing on Instagram, to be growing on YouTube, to be growing on TikTok, to be growing on OnlyFans. I'm about to release the overall systems and persuasion and how you actually get someone to purchase something. But why do you do it is the question. People ask what you do, but it's why you do it. That allows you to move with the market. And that's the most important thing. So I want you guys to do something for me. You know, I need you guys to tap in the comment down below. I'm back. I'm back. Because we're about to take it to the whole next level. And if you've been here trying to get to that dough, you're one of the squad members, I appreciate you for following it. Let's go to the next video. Please comment down below and say I'm back. Or what do you want? What are you trying to get from us? So I'm going to see you on the other side. Doses.